Laboratory and Biological Services is an independent microbiological testing laboratory established in 1990. It offers a comprehensive range of microbiological tests to the food, pharmaceutical, cosmetic, dairy, water treatment, and allied industries. Managed by brother and sister team Richard and Camilla Corey, Lab Services is dedicated to providing quality service while staying at the forefront of technology and industry best practices. Some of the tests offered by Lab Services include standard testing for pathogens and identification, enumeration of bacterial organisms, hygiene audits, preservative challenge testing, and sterility testing. A non-negotiable aspect of the Lab Services business ethos is its high-quality standards.
Our quality policy guarantees that laboratory and biological services staff and management are committed to exceptional service. It also means that we comply with ISO and IEC 17025 standards and MCC requirements. By upholding good laboratory practices, which are audited and verified by independent agencies, we are able to test all samples according to accredited methods to ensure the most accurate results.
Over the past 25 years, Lab Services has maintained authorization from MCC to conduct microbiological testing on pharmaceutical products and environmental testing on pharmaceutical facilities. SANES accreditation followed in 2006 as part of an ongoing drive to increase the laboratory's scope of accreditation as well as improve GLP and GMP. Proof of the SANES accreditation is available on request or on the SANES website under T0302. Lab Services recently upgraded its facilities, adding additional work areas with improved aseptic and sterility conditions for high-risk testing, which is done in individually sealed work bays. All employees are suitably qualified and continuously trained in the latest testing methods and techniques. By participating in intra and inter-proficiency testing schemes, the laboratory also ensures the validity of its results. On-site technical signatories do quality assurance and approve results and certificates before they are issued to clients. Lab Services lives up to its reputation of excellent service thanks to accurate reporting, rapid turnaround times, an affordable fee structure, customer confidentiality, and individual customer care and satisfaction. Lab Services, microbiologists you can trust and depend on.